Hello, everyone. Here's something you'll absolutely love if you're a woodworker. You'll get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. Ted has spent years putting together the Earth's largest collection of woodworking plans. I'm talking 16,000 done for you plans with step by step instructions, photos, and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. If you don't believe me, listen to John and Barry.
Hey Ted and the rest of the team over at Ted's Woodworking. It's John here from the UK, and I can't thank you enough for the plans. I can build things now that I never thought possible for me to do and make them look good. If I had to boil it down to just one single moment, I think the catalyst that started my woodworking journey, it would be the time when I purchased Ted's collection of plans. All I can say is, if you have ever wanted to get into woodworking and didn't know where to start, this is the package to get. You'll find plans to almost any project that you can think of, which makes it very easy to get started.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.
This is a limited time offer. Ted is running a limited time launch discount, and the complete package of plans is 77% off the regular price. This special launch offer will close soon, and you won't be able to get it at this price again, even if you want to. So you want to grab this discount while you can. You're going to want to head to woodworkingplansbyted.com. Again, that's woodworkingplansbyted.com to take advantage of this limited time offer.